Okay, this box is from Auntie Ash and Uncle Brando, right?
Yes.
You guys say hi, Uncle Brandon. Hi, Auntie Ash.
Hi, Uncle Brandon. Hi, Auntie Ash.
You say hi, Ram?
Hi.
Ready?
Yes.
Remy, come here.
You ready, Ram?
Come here. Right here.
Over here, buddy.
I'm so excited.
You're so excited. I'm so excited for you guys. Ready?
Uh-huh.
Whoa!
Slippers!
What kind of slippers, Bo?
What kind of slippers, Katie?
Hello Kitty!
Hello
And we got a
Kitty.
Favorite!
And look.
Those are awesome. What else?
Wow.
Oh, cool.
What are all these ones, Katie?
You guys got books for story time?
You
Yeah!
guys got books? So it says, skunks, go to bed. And then you got a coloring book. Who's that?
University!
Yeah.
And this one's the universe.
Yeah?
Alright, Bub, science.
No. And then snowball fight.
Ooh, I love that.
Little cooks.
Wow!
Ooh, look at all these recipes you guys are gonna make for me.
I know. But after I do need help.
Yeah. And this one's called Snack Attack.
Ah!
Turn of the Munchies. Look it.
Munchies. You guys
It's
are
your own
munchies.
little cookbook. Cool.
Careful, buddy.
My cookbook.
You alright?
Yeah.
You want your slippers on?
Your favorite tea.
Yeah.
I'm cut up a bit.
Oh,
Those
he's
are-
a bat. So cute.
Those are so cool, man.
So cute, huh?
They're like little Batmobiles for his feet.
Who is it?
What do you say, Ram?
Uncle
You say thank you, Ram?
Thank you.
Blow a kiss? Ram, you give kiss? Wrong way, dude.
Mwah. How about this like this? Mwah. Over there. Who's that?
You say thank you, Bub?
Thank you.
It's Auntie Ashley and Uncle Brandon.
I can't look at your slippers. Oh wow, these are so cool. I got a few ones.
Oh, those
That's
are
some
so
cool
cute.
stuff,
I
yeah.
love it.
They got some cool stuff.
They sure did.
You guys say bye?